Hi, this is Shalvi from Speed News. I wish you a delighting evening. So let's have a glance at today's news bulletins. A complaint is filed before a court in Bihar on Saturday accusing actress Rhea Chakrabarti, ex-girlfriend of Sushant Singh Rajput, of having abetted the deceased actor's suicide. Kundan Kumar, a resident of Muzaffarpur, filed his petition before the Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate, and the same has been posted for hearing on June 24. One of the greatest bowlers in Indian domestic cricket breathed his last in Rohtak on Sunday. Rajinder Goyal, a 77 years old left-arm spinner for generations, died due to age-related illness, but left back a legion of fans who remember him not only for his extraordinary skills, but also for the kind of human being he was. A Pune Rural Police Crime Branch arrested two men for duping a man from Dawn of Rs 3,80,000 under false pretext of providing employment in the Indian Navy. The duo is suspected to have cheated many hailing from various parts of the state. The suspects were identified as Nitin Tanaji Zadav, a resident of Baramati, and Akash Kashinath Dange of Fulton area of Satara district. Officials have reported that Canada has launched an investigation after some 500 puppies, of which 38 of them dead, were found in a Ukraine International Airlines plane at the Toronto airport. The Canadian Food Inspection Agency said that the surviving French bulldogs, a popular breed in Canada, were suffering from symptoms including dehydration, weakness and vomiting when they were found. The Tamil Nadu fishermen found a barrel in their net which contained substance worth Rs 100 crore. On opening, they found white powder inside them and realized that it was crystal methamphetamine. They then alerted the police. Police have seized 78 kilograms of substance and gave it for examination. They suspect that barrel was a part of a consignment that landed along the coast by drug smugglers operating in Southeastern Asian countries. Coming to Pune Municipal Corporation, a few days ago, a women officer working in PMC office and her husband tested positive for COVID-19. And now an elective representative from PMC tested positive. Premises of PMC are turning into a coronavirus hotspot. The PMC Health Department is now probing out people who were inside the building, fearing the spread of the virus. Actor Abhishek Bachchan took to his social media handles to share an intriguing video of his web show Breathe Into the Shadows. The video captures the sense of a pristine bond between a father and a child. It also unveils the logo of the show. The Delhi police has been put on high alert after receiving information of a terrorist attack targeting the national capital. According to information shared by the security agencies, at least 4 to 5 terrorists left for Delhi on a truck. Some of these terrorists from Jammu and Kashmir have already entered the city, while some are trying to get inside. All guest houses, hotels, buses and railway stations in the city have been put on a lookout notice, and cars with Kashmir registration numbers are now being searched. In a major breakthrough in tracking down an international womb for hire racket, the Agra police have arrested 2 women and their agent on Sunday. The police rescued 3 infants from the women who were being taken to Nepal border by car. The car driver has also been arrested, and the kingpin of the racket, a woman named Smita, is being tracked. Multiple people have been shot in Minneapolis Uptown district of the United States on Sunday, police informed. According to reports, at least 2 people have died. Earlier, city police tweeted that some 11 people who were injured in the shooting have been hospitalized. Minneapolis is the same city where the unarmed African-American man George Floyd was killed by a white police officer on May 25th, which has led to widespread protests against racism and police brutalities across the US and also the world a few days ago. We end up with today's news bulletin. Speed News shall update you tomorrow with new and fresh bulletins. Thank you.